What is going on, guys? Here we are today. We've got some Oracle side marker lighting. I personally think that this looks a hell of a lot better than the factory, but that's just my personal opinion. I don't really know which one's which, to be honest. It says FL, so it could be front left, front right. Yep, there you go. Just like that. And apparently all you have to do, just push up in here and pop this out. Cool. Okay, so we'll hold that right there. Alrighty, so on this one, I'm gonna test it because I really don't want to make sure this is the right one. Okay, hold that up. Just like that. As long as if it turns yellow, then we're good. I think that looks a hell of a lot better. Yep.
Boop. That was easy.
What do you think, though?
Hell yeah.
I don't know. I think it looks a hell of a lot better.
I think so too.
So I guess let me do the other front one real quick, and then do you want to do the honors of doing the back one?
Sure.
Okay. Hell yeah. Alrighty, so as you just saw, you just slide. Cool. Cool. Oh yeah, that's right. That's right. Thank you.
What easier? Small finger?
Yeah. Gonna have to. Go. Go for it. That one's tight, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Cool deal.
My finger.
I know.
Ow.
Well, come on. There we go. Ah, I felt it pop. They look a hell of a lot better. Yeah. Let me have these. We'll
in my toolbox.
yeah, I'm borrowing a screwdriver.
Vandals.
Yes. See how long this took? This didn't take long at all. You go up and under, right?
Where? Oh, it's over here?
Yeah, right over here somewhere. You need to find it. Perfect. Perfect. You're doing good, sweetie. Yeah, so if you don't want to end up going through the hell in house or pulling that fender liner back, all you got to do is, I think there's 3 or 4 screws that go right in there to pull it back, and then you just pop it in and out. But you can go under like she's doing right now. You can go under and then, you know, try to grab it at the top. So you're right there, babe.
Gives it some slack, because there we go.
Like that?
Yeah.
Cool. Well, that's easy installation. You just gotta have a girlfriend that has more patience than I got. Alrighty, so here we are. We're gonna give y'all an after. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that looks a hell of a lot better. Hell of a lot better at nighttime. And then we'll show y'all the back real quick. Yeah, that looks a hell of a lot better. And then I honestly think that it kind of, a little of a side shot here, goes along with the tail lights a lot fucking better. Oh yeah. Yeah, oh yeah. I think that it goes with that a lot better, man. That's gonna do it for the installation video on these side markers. By the way, if you want to check out, if you want to support the channel, we have our website up. Only thing we have in stock currently is a bunch of stickers. We're working on getting some shirts and stuff, just kind of kick started, and you know, something to kind of get the build going faster on the Camaro. I mean, if you're feeling generous, man, and want to help out, and you know, it'll help support the channel and allow us to get better content and fun trips and stuff like that. So but you don't have to, but if you're feeling generous and you would like to, it would be much appreciated. So yeah, other than that, I mean, so we'll go from there and we'll see y'all next time.